I've been lucky to have many good teachers in my life, but the one who really rises to the surface was a ninth grade substitute science teacher. At the junior high where I went to, the culminating project in ninth grade science was called the sludge test, and they gave you a baby food jar full of a liquid and all sorts of particulates that were dissolved in the liquid, and it was your job to use fractional distillation and other techniques to determine what the makeup of the sludge was. So I got into it and accidentally watered down my sludge too much, to the point where fractional distillation wasn't working. And I had worked myself into a corner where the sludge itself wasn't going to give me many answers. So I approached the teacher about it. I knew I couldn't get another sludge to replace my sludge, and I told him what I had done and what my hypothesis was, and he suggested to me, just keep going, that I had enough background knowledge from what I had figured out that I could easily hypothesize. So I did keep going, and I wrote up a big lab report, and in the end I won the sludge award for that year. This teacher showed me that from mistakes sometimes success can be built, and it was a real learning experience for me.